So let's open up the rear of the Sheoak. We have two latches at the bottom. There's a small lever that you need to push across to actually get past the open. And there's one on each side. And then it's as simple as opening up the back. So there's two cupboards at the back here. Let's open them up and have a look inside. Nice and deep. You could put lots of boxes and storage in there, one each side. A couple of baskets which are permanently there. Then we have two drawers which are above the cooker that we'll look at in a minute. Let's pull these out and have a look. So when you get your trailer, in one drawer you'll have a spare water hose, just in case you close the trailer and you break the water hose, there's a spare one there. We have a winding bar for the drop-down support legs. You have your hose for your water outlet from your sink. And then here's the bag which has the pegs and some ropes in it for your side awning. So when you close them up, just make sure you latch them in place so they don't slide out while you're driving, and everything clips closed. So on one side of the trailer is a 12-volt ciggy socket. Then these handles for ease pop up and down. And then on the other side we have our button for our water pump. So let's have a closer look at the cooker and the sink. Couple of blue levers here, pop them down, grab the handle, slide that out. We have on one side the kitchen sink, so that faucet goes up and down. We have a couple of latches. This keeps the lid down and the wind guard of the cooktop. So let's have a look inside here. We raise that up. You need to lift this up, and then there's a couple of little holes here that you line up on one side. And then lift that again and line up that on that side. To close the lid of the trailer, just make sure that all of your drawers are closed and have latched into place, the three here, and cupboards are closed. And then you just simply push down on the handle. They're on gas struts, it needs a little bit of force. Lower that. And then latch each side. And you can actually put a padlock in there if you like. And you're done.